Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your name on Facebook so no one can find you. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Facebook app on your mobile device. Over here, tap on the menu icon. For some people it's located at the bottom right, and for others it might be at the top right. After that, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Then tap on it to expand the options. Over here, tap on Settings. After that, at the top of the settings page, tap on Account Center. Then over here, tap on Profiles. Now choose the profile where you want to change the name. After that, tap on Name. Over here, you can now change your name to whatever you want. If you're trying to stay hidden, you can use a unique name that's harder to search. Just remember, after changing your name, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. So that's basically how you can change your name on Facebook so no one can find you. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.